again, we want to find an inside function. Okay, we're going to look inside the denominator here, so that 1 over x function, and its derivative will generate the outside here. And again, we could, leave that plus 3, but it's easier to keep that plus 3. I was doing this in green, wasn't I? Letting my u be green. So I'm going to let u be equal to 3 plus e to the x. Okay, so it makes things algebraically a little bit cleaner if we can put that constant in the u. That way, when we calculate the du, that plus 3 is kind of out of the way for now. So we end up with e to the x, move the dx over. There's my e to the x dx, and I have my u right here. The u is in the denominator, so it's a rational function, a 1 over x function. So I get 1 over my u value, okay, and then I'm going to replace that e to the x dx with a du function. And then again, we are dealing with the log function. When we anti-differentiate this, log absolute value of u plus c. There's my u, and I can express that back with x's by just substituting that with my 3 plus e to the x plus c. Now this absolute value is not necessary, as e to the x is always positive. Okay, so for this one here, we are again doing the same thing. If you can find an inside piece that takes care of an outside piece, here the inside piece would be log. Okay, there's my log, that's inside. If I can replace that with u, my du, my du will be that 1 over x. So let my u be my inside function with this log x. The du accounts for the x's that are not part of the u. Okay, so I get 1 over x, move the dx over, there's my du function. Now I can rewrite this. Okay, and when I rewrite this, it's an integral of u squared plus 3 times u plus 4. Okay, so the u's just are going in there. U, and then I'm replacing that 1 over x dx. I'm going to replace that whole thing with du. So now I'm integrating with this with respect to du. That's all I need. It's just a straight polynomial function. U cubed over 3 plus 3u squared over 2 plus 4u plus c. Okay, and then we can back substitute for the u. We can express this with x's, so it becomes log x cubed plus 3 log x squared over 2 over 3 plus 4 times log x plus c, and there is my indefinite integral for that function. Okay, so those are we're just kind of practicing the substitution method. Again, we're looking for an inside function, an embedded function whose derivative will account for what's left over on the outside.